How to hand sew, tying off the thread, shows you how to stop one thread and begin another when your thread is getting short. So as you're making your last couple stitches, you need to watch how long your thread is. It needs to be at least a couple lengths of your needle, if not a little bit more, in order to tie off your thread. You bring your needle down to the back of the fabric from your last stitch, and then you're going to take a small stitch with your needle into a little thread that's on the back there of your fabric, and then go through the loop that makes. So again, go through a stitch which makes a small loop, then go back through that little loop and pull it tight. That's going to make a knot that holds tight. You trim your thread, but don't make it too short. Leave a small tail so it doesn't unravel, and there you have it. So you can start fresh with a new piece of floss or thread on your next stitch. How to hand sew, tie off a thread. It's a great skill to have. Come on over to Welcome to Nanas for more how to hand sew tutorials. Come join the fun.